Hello guys. Here I have a Dell, a very nice Dell. The problem, okay. Anyway, there's nothing wrong with this machine. Trust that I did a video repairing this machine. Okay, so what I need to do from this machine, I want to change the thermal paste. I want to show you guys how you can change the thermal paste. Let's say your PC is overheating. Okay, it's overheating for no reason, or maybe shutting down randomly, maybe over a time, maybe after 10 minutes or 20 minutes, and you don't know the reason why. So I believe this will this whole solution here, it will help you. So let me just go ahead and then do it. So what you need a thermal paste. Let me just show it to you. You need a thermal paste. Alright, and you need a tissue, and you need an alcohol. Okay, anyway, we have seen a case where your laptop is overheating one way and you don't know what is wrong. It's just overheat, maybe when you are playing a game, or maybe running a application, or running those tasks where your PC uses so much of a CPU or GPU, and then your PC starts to be slow or start overheating. Anyway, this is a solution, guys. I believe this whole process will assist you if you are having such case. Anyway, let's go ahead. Let's do it. So what you need: a tissue. Take out a piece, roll it nicely, fold it nicely. Then what you need alcohol. Spray the tissue. Otherwise, let's just pour an alcohol. Try to be careful not to pour over a laptop, because you don't want to put any damages. You don't want to cause any damages, So what you do, you clean on top here on these silver things, and try to be careful when you are cleaning around the CPU. As you can see, you're cleaning the tissue. Clean more and more. Okay, this is it. Alright. Okay, CPU is fresh. You can see, just wipe it. Make sure you wipe it nicely. Take your time. Then let's use thermal paste. So what you do, you put here on top of the CPU. Don't rush, take your time. Just a small drop, even here on the PCH. Just a small drop, even here on the graphics card. Just a small drop. And you close. Let me show it to you again. This is it. You can see. So what you do, you use anything. You can use anything to spread it around. In my case, I'm using a tweezers. Okay. Make sure you remove the battery. When my battery is removed, hope you can see. I didn't connect the battery. Even here on the PCH, it's come here on the CPU. Even on the CPU, you do the same thing. You do the same thing on the CPU. Okay, now let's clean the triggers. Put the tissue aside. Where's the heatsink? So now check the heatsink. Make sure the heatsink is clean. If not, you wipe it. Okay, it's clean as you can see. Okay, let's put back the CPU. So here, make sure you align the screws along with the screw holes. Yeah, try to push. Okay, see. Okay, let's do it. Okay, nice and easy. Then you tighten the screws. Okay, here, do the same thing. Nice and easy. Try to be careful with your screwdriver because you don't want to slip it by mistake and end up damaging the board. Okay, so here let's remove some dust. We'll remove some dust near the air vent here on the thing. I wasn't aware. Okay, now so set here. You're in this whole section. Okay, now let's put back the screws. So for now, don't plug in the battery. Let's put back the SSD. I think, how do we connect the SSD? No, it doesn't belong to an SSD. So tighten the screw. Okay, anyway, let's find out where does this thing belong, because we can't just leave it hanging. You put the screws one by one and don't connect the battery for now. It's too early, and I've told you my reason why you should disconnect the battery when you are doing this, because one mistake, if the screwdriver slip maybe on top of the board, just we are trying to make sure that you don't end up damaging the board. Trying to make sure that you don't end up damaging the board. Okay, there's some missing screws. Okay, here's another one. I think this one should go, goes here. It's tight. Put the fan. Okay, so with the fan, let's start with the fan. Okay, it's in. You connect the screws one by one. Now let's find out where does this belong. Is it for this board? this for another motherboard. Can't remember. I can't remember. Yeah, but anyway, guys, this is it. This is how we change the thermal paste step by step. Okay, it's very simple. You can do it. In case if your laptop overheats, it doesn't work proper, it's low for no reason, and it's heats up, please change the thermal paste. It's very simple. You can buy it to any store. I will put some links as well, but in my case I'm here in South Africa, in Durban, and I use A1 radio in some other stores. But please do subscribe. Go ahead, do it now. Thank you.